Hi, this is Jarvis Cloud Sr. at Day1Marketing Inc., where online marketing begins. I'm glad to present to you your free marketing course, 100% free from myself and Day1Marketing Inc. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Day1Marketing Inc. Additional free marketing courses, free software, and tools will always be provided in the links in the description below as well. Thank you again from Jarvis Cloud Sr. and Day1Marketing Inc. Enjoy.
Finding the right email marketing platform. Now this step is crucial. You can have everything else spot on, but if you haven't got the right email marketing platform, nothing's getting delivered. You have to understand that you can't do this type of email marketing manually either. It's just near impossible. Even with a list of only 500 people, sending email updates to those people one by one is going to drive you mad. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to automate all your mail delivery, even from the start, so that as it grows, it doesn't get harder to keep on top of it all. But what are the key common features of good email marketing platforms? Here's a few. Automated autoresponders. Now, regardless of the platform you go with, they must have a way of sending a scheduled email to your list members. For example, if somebody joins your mailing list on a Monday, then they get the email sign-up update straight away. Then one day later, the Tuesday in this case, they get the next email update that you've put into the autoresponder sequence. Now, if another person signs up to your mailing list on the Friday of that week, they get the very same update immediately when they sign up. And then a day later, Saturday in this case, they get the update email, and so on and so on. Now, an autoresponder is crucial if you want to turn your list members into buyers. Broadcasts. Now, sometimes you need to send an update to all of your contacts. You might be holding a sale or something similar to that, or some important news you want to share. You need to be able to reach everybody at the same time, and your mailing platform has to be able to deliver this. Now, regardless of whether you're sending autoresponder messages or you're sending an update message to your list, something else you might want to look at is email templates. Sometimes you just don't have the time or the knowledge on how to compose a decent email. So to make things easier for yourself, you can use a template. This is an email that's been formatted in a certain way, or it might even have some added graphic elements to it. A lot of these platforms have ready-made email list sign-up templates you can use as well. You just make changes to the graphics, the colors, and the forms, and you're good to go. An advanced tip for improving sign-ups is to use what's called a two-step process. This gets people signing up to your mailing list, and it's a very powerful alternative to the normal way you would do this. Now, normally your email sign-up form would be presented on the page. People would load this, they would put their email in and click the submit button for their freebie or whatever offer you were giving them. Now, the problem with this one-step layout is that it doesn't really qualify people. It's just one step that many don't mind going through to get that goodie, to get that freebie, even if they're just curiosity seekers. They enter their email address and you end up with a list squatter. This is a person who stays on your list without even reading your emails, just to get that free gift. Now, to solve this problem, you can use the two-step opt-in system. How this works is people have to click on a link to get the form to appear. Now, this is where they then enter their email address and their name or whatever else you're asking for, but because of this two-step process, only truly motivated or genuinely interested people tend to fill it in. Now, sure, this may result in a slightly lower subscription rate, but the people that do subscribe are going to be of the highest quality.